The Eagle has landed.
Venue was the Lincoln Corner, where the acting Consul General of USA, Darian Arky, has inaugurated a photo exhibition featuring Apollo 11 mission. The expo is meant to commemorate the 50th anniversary of Lunar module Eagle, carrying Buzz Aldrin and Commander Neil Armstrong's touching the lunar surface on 20th of July 1969.
The Eagle has landed.
Darian Arky told that commander of Apollo 17, the final manned mission to the moon, visited Pakistan in 1973. Consul General mused, arriving in the modern-day successor to the ancient civilization of the Indus River Valley, they brought with them a piece of moon rock. As I looked through the newspaper photos of the American astronauts chatting with Pakistani students, scientists and journalists, I felt I had a clue of what he meant about discovering Earth. Luckily for any of us, we don't have to go all the way to the moon to gather rocks if what we are searching for is the commonality of our humanness.